हाजी रणरेज साहब, प्रियंका गांधी और राहुल गांधी के स्पीचेस में आपको कौन सी स्पीच ज्यादा अच्छी लगी?
मेरे को तो दोनों ही स्पीच अच्छी लगी। जिस तरीके से आज राहुल गांधी जी की बात हो रही है तो मैं राहुल गांधी जी की स्पीच में बता दूं, राहुल गांधी जी ने 3 सवाल पूछे हैं भारत सरकार से, नरेंद्र मोदी जी से। आप ये बताइए, चुनाव आयोग की जो चयन,
एक मिनट, ये सवाल पे भी आएंगे हाजी साहब। ये तो
हटाया गया
हाजी साहब, ये नहीं, एक मिनट हाजी साहब, ये वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज है। अभी सबसे मैं एक वॉइस वो चेक कर रहे हैं, ऑडियो सबको मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही है, आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो आ रही है। अभी हम आएंगे, जो आपने तैयारी की है अभी मैं उस पर आऊंगा। देख लेना कि वो गूगल का पेज बंद ना हो जाए, आप उसको बनाए रखिए आप। बट शाजिया इल्मी, राहुल गांधी सेज when we come to power we will change the law and we will come find you.
So obviously it's some kind of a threat that he is issuing, and every time he threatens or talks out of context or just makes up a story, just a complete fabrication of his confused mind, you know what that leads to. Right from, Rafale and Chaukidar Chor hai, to many other things he said, whether it's about Pegasus, when he backtracks himself, to this new one. And poor man, he hasn't even been able to do his research completely because he's invoking that whole thing of Brazilian model, where it's been debunked by so many papers and so many channels, because all those people who were there have actually voted. So he's not even up to speed. So I feel sorry for him. But everybody here is discussing what Rahul Gandhi said. Rahul Gandhi, as always, balderdash. What he's saying, what he's trying to say doesn't make sense. He knows he's been caught out on this PowerPoint presentation that he did, but he tends to repeat it. And he keeps threatening again and again and says terrible things, which is really antithetical to the spirit of democracy. So, but more than that, if you see Priyanka Gandhi, I might agree with some of what is said, that who made a more structured speech, but the content of what she said was absolutely devastating, and I think it'll have a terrible effect on her popularity.
No, but the takeaway, I think Shazia Ilmi ji, the takeaway of what Tehseen said about the 2 speeches is that Rahul Gandhi is not mature.
I never said that.
You said Priyanka Gandhi is more mature.
I said she's a very mature speaker.
So Rahul Gandhi is less mature, obviously.
For example, if I say,
no, if someone says, no, 1 minute. If someone says your younger brother is a better speaker, then the elder brother is, not there.
No, I agree he's a better speaker. And I think Priyanka ji is the best speaker Congress has. That does not mean Rahul Gandhi's speech is not good. Okay. If I say Tausif is a great debater, that doesn't mean Dr. Anand Ranganathan is not good.
नहीं, ये तो अब डॉक्टर रंगनाथन अभी वो भी हाजी साहब की तरह वो भी तैयारी करके आते हैं, उन्होंने भी अभी आना है।